I'm holding in my hand the best $20 I ever spent in my life. That was about 40 years ago. The price now is $30, maybe $35. People spend fortunes on chiropractors, and a lot of people suffer a lot from back pain, neck pain. This device, called a Ma roller, you'll find on Amazon and many other places. And it's fantastic. I don't use it every day, but I try to. And basically uses the principles of acupuncture or acupressure. And you lay down and use gravity as your friend. I start laying down, doing the massage on my neck, on my head, and roll down slowly down my neck till I get to the very bottom of my neck, and then I kind of roll back and forth, and then I kind of do a little pull up or sit up and throw it down to my back and roll down step by step on my back. Yes, it can hurt. It's a nice pain. In the beginning, you might want to put, I use on a double yoga mat. You might want to put a blanket down on top so it's not so intense in the beginning. Some places will hurt more than others, but I haven't seen a chiropractor in 40 years, and I haven't suffered from back pain. Probably in these 40 years, I've maybe had a little bit here and there, but nothing to speak of, nothing to even remember. I highly recommend this device for, what it does is, your spine goes here, and this is on both sides of the spine, which is where the bladder meridian is in Chinese medicine. And each location on the spine corresponds to an organ. So it's really a treatment. Helps align the back and helps you treat your body, your organ system. Very nice, very inexpensive. I love it.
If a $20 tool can save you from decades of pain, imagine what truth-based medicine can do for your life. Subscribe for free and receive new videos and writings every week, or become a paid member and gain access to exclusive videos and deeper insights.